Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. May lakad tayo today. As you can see, I'm wearing my Sage shirt because today is the orientation of the international students. Dahil next Monday, pasukan na, guys. Pasukan na. Hindi ako ready. Oh my goodness. Ayoko na bumalik. You know, yung excitement namin, pinag-uusapan niya namin ito nung tropa na yung excitement namin last year at this time na sobrang, tara, let's go, let's start our school. Wala na yung excitement na yun. Since naranasan na namin yung two terms kung gaano ka-challenging. So, we're not looking forward to it, but at the same time, looking forward to it para matapos na. Imagine by December, tapos na tayo. Tapos na tayo sa paghihiram. So, yun lang. So, may volunteer ako today, and I have a little sad news kasi yung last vlog ko lang, I was introducing Sparky to you guys, pero sa vlog na to, I have to update you that we had to let him go yesterday. So, nako, si Zach, yung dalawa umiiyak kahapon. Kasi nga, we were not approved dito sa apartment to keep him because of his size and his breed. So, ayun, pinost ko siya nung Sunday. And then, I had some inquiries. Tapos, yun, yung talagang pinaka-seryoso na they really want to meet him. Nagpunta sila kahapon. So, Monday kahapon. Buong pamilya sila nagpunta dito to meet him, to see kung, syempre, kung may rapport and all that. So una, syempre, ayaw lumapit ni Sparky sa kanila kasi takot siya. And then, after a while, nag-warm up naman, lumalapit na, nakarga nila lahat. So, yun, they took him, and I think it is for the best for Sparky din kasi they have a big yard daw. So, mayroon siyang place na mapapagtakbuhan, unlike with us here. Well, kasi hindi pa siya vaccinated, so I cannot bring him outside, di ba? Hindi pa siya fully vaccinated. So, ang tinatakbuhan lang ni Sparky lagi is from dito sa wall hanggang doon sa, yan, magpapabalik-balik siya dyan. Kawawa naman siya. So sila, kung may backyard sila, that would be best for him. Nakukuha niya yung tamang exercise for him kasi, you know, for those big dogs, kapag hindi sila na-exercise, well, syempre for ano lang naman yun, kung nagstay siya dito sa amin, syempre for ano lang yun, like temporarily, kasi nga hindi pa siya vaccinated, hindi ko siya mailabas. Although, hindi ko rin magagarantin na like every single day, na may time ako, lalo na mag-start na ako mag-school. So, ang daming realizations nitong pagkuha namin kay Sparky. Wait lang, kailangan ko na mag-shoes. Maraming realizations na, ano nga, it is difficult to keep a puppy. And, lalo na kung ang pipiliin mo is yung very active na breed. Kaya, at least sa next time, alam na namin na dapat, well, depends. Pero kasi sabi ni Vince, tsaka na tayo kumuha ulit kapag meron na kami sariling bahay. Wala nang restriction kung ano yung aso, ganyan. Pero, yun nga, maganda rin sana kung meron chill lang. Medyo chill na aso na lang, hindi yung as active as, you know, yung breed ni Sparky. And, ayun, sabi ko nga, magpusa na lang kami. Mas chill. Anyway, so, yun. Magkikita kami ni Sheena. And, nasa bus na siya. So, I'll update you guys later. I'm hungry. Hi, guys. Ito na naman kami. April 30 na today. We're supposed to be in spring. But, yes. Nag-snow last night. Sabi, hanggang Thursday daw. Ay, akala namin ano na kami. Feel ko na yung pagka-spring season Ang ganda na, nag-barbecue na nga kami the other day dun sa porch. Porch ba yun? Hindi yan porch. Patio. Namin. Tapos, ito na naman po. Ay. Anyway, nandiyan daw si Sheena. Let's go. We're here. Oh my gosh.
Welcome back!
Are you ready?
Am I ready?
Are you ready to come back? Ay,
Back out na.
So, dito tayo. It's almost 8 o'clock. Wala pang breakfast. I'm hungry. Sana may pakain.
Siya prepare na ako sa mga bata.
Huh? Yan, dito na kami sa aming meeting room. Meeting room or parang meeting point. May palibreng Tems, kape, and muffins and donuts.
Breakfast.
Yeah. So, kape-kape muna tayo before we start.
Yeah, kape mo. Start na ng ng shift.
8:15 pa mag-start yung registration. Sa ano kami? Registration and campus tour. So, yes. Hopefully, we'll meet some of you na nanonood ng vlogs. Yes, kung meron man. Let's see. Okay. It's ano na, 8:07. Yan na. We're almost gonna start. Medyo puno na.
Join na siya. Sumali ka na. At the front.
Okay, everybody in. You gotta get ready, right? Okay. If I have to do it once again, then don't follow me for videos there.
Okay guys, napasubo tayo mag-zumba. Papilit. Yes, papilit yun. Yung sinabi ng boss, wala na akong nagawa. Sige, okay, go. Kanina lang kami nag-practice. Pagod. Guys, tapos na kami sa orientation. And I'm here with the Mom Shields. Kain tayo. Nachos. Deserve. Nandito na yung chicken wings. It looks so good. Ganyan, masarap yung nachos. Yummers.
Yeah.